If you've ever ridden with your helmet this long, aka 14 days straight, you get real familiar with your helmet, and your helmet get real familiar with you. Take your helmet apart, the parts that do come out, and scrub it, clean it, refresh, cause trust me, if I was trapped on your head for this long, this part wasn't supposed to come out, but it came out. We're gonna glue that back in. But yeah. Hygiene in the helmet, definitely. Like what?
What's up, road traveler?
Nothing much, man.
Dude of many states? It's over with them.
It's over.
You ain't got nothing to accomplish now. You done. What you gonna do with your life? You finished. Hey.
I did all I can do.
Hey, you looking solid, bro. On the way out. Starting to kind of haggerty on the way back. I said, is he okay? When you was rolling out, you had hard energy. Look at, I saw you run to the beach and got your feet wet. Yeah, hey, I'm out here. On the way back, you was like, well.
I'm like, this nigga
Hey,
don't stop.
and your whole face, everything looked different.
Like different.
You must have been exhausted.
The heat.
Still exhausted? And then you come back to the heat wave.
Yeah, it was a heat wave. You ain't seen, I've been in a heat wave since going that way. I've been in a heat wave. Y'all heat wave ain't got shit compared to what I've been
Oh
in.
yeah, you been in the south. This ain't that.
I've
But
been-
for us though.
Oh yeah, I've been on a heat wave on top of a radiator. On top of an old gas, oil filled radiator for 13 days.
Yeah, you was gone.
Yeah.
When you was like, what day is it? I said, oh, he in trouble.
I didn't know what day it was. I was gone so long. I just found
in
out.
New Mexico, what you did is went over to the hotel and just called it. It was over.
Yeah, man. Your boy Shaq go too hard for me, man. He got an extra battery in his backpack or something, man. He going. He like, Rob, I gotta be back at work.
Oh.
I'm like, what? We gonna push from here. I'm like, we gonna what? No, we ain't. You gonna push.
Wait, you was in New Mexico though. You was on the other side of Texas.
Yeah, we had just crossed over into New Mexico when he said, I'm going to the house. I said, I'm turning in my paperwork. You can go by yourself.
Yeah, so I saw that you said, I'm tapping out.
I'm tapping out. I told you, I put a public resignation right there. I'm tapping out.
Y'all didn't look good in that picture.
I'm turning
in that
my-
video,
Uh-huh.
it looked haggerty, bro. I said, you down.
Yeah, I said, man, I'm turning in my paperwork, baby.
What happened? Because you had slowed down? You started riding slow? You had
Oh,
slowed
I
down?
was
You
going
tired?
slow. I was going slow. I tell you, my throttle hand went bad. My cruise control stopped working way back in Maryland when the first rainstorm hit.
So you've been...
I've been on the throttle
But
hand,
even the rainstorm, I say, dude, in a tornado.
tornado, typhoon, whatever you want
How
to
long
call
was you
it.
stuck at the gas station?
I stayed at the gas station for about 20 minutes before I left.
Oh, it shut down? It stopped, or you just said,
No,
I'm out
I'm
here?
going. I gotta keep pushing. He had pulled over, change the glove. I said, all right, I'm finna win this time. I'm gonna stay ahead of him.
Yeah.
I pulled over. It started coming down. We ran right into it.
It got ridiculous.
It got ridiculous. And I was still ahead. All right, let me get back on the road and keep it moving.
Yeah.
Because since we ain't together, I'm going to Washington, D.C. We know what the end destination is, Atlanta.
Right, so you can do whatever once
Yeah,
you're up there.
Yeah, well, I can meet you there, so I can run.
But you went D.C. and then I see you in Times Square.
We went to Times Square first. Then we stayed in Long Island at his people's house. Then we left from Long Island going straight to Atlanta.
Where'd you catch up to him at?
Atlanta.
Oh.
He got there at 10 o'clock. I got there at 4 in the morning.
Hey. I'm glad you stopped by. I'm with my
You
Tapped out. I saw that video. I said, I gotta probably feel him on that.
He didn't look good, huh?
He didn't. Well, he still looked like he could go, right? I guess he said, nah, fuck that.
I can't go that hard.
Shaq was looking like a balled up $100 bill, and he couldn't go. Bro, I was like, when I seen the hands come up, I said, oh, he finished.
Shaq looked like he was on 4 Monsters and some 5 energy drinks.
Yeah. He said Rob was out there Red Bulling it.
Yeah, he said I was Red Bulling it too hard. I was like, man.
Yeah, one of the cup holders sipping on it?
No, I had it in the jacket pocket. At one point I had.
Dehydrate yourself out.
Yeah, I just burning my own self up.
Wow.
Yeah.
But
it looked like y'all had a good time, man.
Yeah,
It looked like it was good.
It ain't
You rolled
bad.
shit out. Is that a tweeter hanging?
Where? Oh hell, I didn't know.
Oh yeah, they were right.
Maybe that's the noise I've been hearing. I was like,
check it out.
He just trying to get home.
Yeah.
Shit.
yeah, I didn't know that was like that.
Whatever it is, it ain't making the bike stop. Huh?
It ain't making the
Say
bike
what?
stop.
So when you left New Mexico, finally left, you came all the way in?
No, I waited to Bakersfield.
Bakersfield?
Bakersfield, I stopped again.
But you ran all the way through Texas.
Yeah. See, we separated at the borderline of Texas and New Mexico.
Oh, okay.
Then I doubled back. I went back to get the Cadillac pictures. Because I wanted to go check out some cars.
Sunday.
I wanted to see some things.
Oh, you went to the thing with Duke at the Cadillac on the
All the angles. Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
So I
yeah.
went back to that. We had passed
Wow.
him, and he says he already made a statement that he got to be back to the house. I'm like, I'm passing up a whole bunch of spots where I can at least ask, hey, y'all got any old Impalas over here?
Oh, you still work.
I'm still trying to work it.
Yeah.
I'm looking. Damn. And when we got to the border, I was like, I got to pull the plug.
Cause I saw Rushmore, right? I was like, damn, he really ain't hit and y'all rode to fucking Florida and back, man.
Yeah.
So do you feel like,
What?
you went yonder, bro?
Yeah, that
you
was the
went
whole.
yonder. I want to hear about it. You went yonder, and now you back.
That was the whole purpose of this bike, to go somewhere.
But you went yonder.
Now we can sell it. It's over with. No. no, I can't.
Now every time somebody say, oh, you ain't went yonder yet? Oh, wow.
Now we're going. Yeah. Now you can't talk that talk.
It ain't nowhere you can't go, bro. You went to the edge.
To the edge.
You say y'all went, how far did y'all go up? When y'all went up New York?
We made the bus right there. So I told you, I said, I'm going to run out of land and freeway, fool. What you want to do?
And the brother that took you through Chicago, he had y'all running?
Yeah, we were running. I had nothing on the camera. Barry had died on the GoPro. Well, he was running. Him and Shaq was. They was just
And you run hard though. You say they was running?
They was running. Now they see. I got all the stuff in the back of the bike, so I'm not confident in turning the corner. Shaq, he ride like a rice rocket. He
was biked out.
He been riding like that, man. And I can't keep up with that kind of
You know
style.
what a dude that ride with no brakes? He unlimited.
He unlimited, man.
During red brake, he had no brakes. He ride that motherfucker everywhere.
And so I was like, man, the stuff he was doing, I had to lay back. That was I've been dragging you, Rob. I said, yeah, you've been dragging me, because I'm not. If something
On
happens,
the way up though, you was out front though, right?
back vice versa.
I mean, y'all rode together. Y'all went in on a long stretch where he was way up and you was way back.
I'm sitting looking at the countryside. Next thing I look up, he fought 10 bikes up. I'm like, look, let me catch back up.
Yeah.
I'm looking around again. I'm seeing all these names, Cody and all these names that you read about in the Western books.
Yeah.
And I'm saying, these white people, fuck off these Indians. I'm seeing all this shit. And I finally get up to Little Bighorn, whatever, all the spots, Platte River, all this shit that I've seen all these cowboy movies.
Yeah.
I'm like, they came way up here to fuck these people off and take
What
their
about the
shit.
fact that them people took wagon trains down to here?
Yeah.
How long would that take? Like years, right? That would take.
They take it from like, say Missouri, it take like 6, 7, 8 months to get over here. You gotta time it when you leave so you don't get caught in the snow. That's how down people had to eat each other because they started off too late. I'm just like, man, it's just.
Though, you can see on the thing, bro. You was getting it. Y'all was gone. Y'all was gone. Cause I had forgot about you niggas for a minute until I was fucking around on Facebook. I was like, wait, you ain't posted shit in like 2-3 days, and you posted you and your sister. You was back in Atlanta.
Yeah.
Cause I saw you in Times Square, and then I saw you. I didn't really see you arrive in Atlanta.
Yeah, that's when we fell off, you know. Cause
then when I talked to Shaq on the phone, y'all was in Florida.
Oh, okay.
Where did this fall apart at?
Well, that happened in Florida when True Bro. I put a little post off about it, and homeboy
I
just
saw
rolled
that.
by.
Homeboy rolled by.
I'm
That
like-
boy stopped and go.
I'm like, really?
He was on the
He
ground.
didn't stop nothing. He's, you know, when you see a biker, you was taking it.
How many miles?
Oh, we had 9,000 something. and one oil change. I just bought some oil.
Out there, you did an oil
I
change.
did it out in the support. I just,
Something well.
I put it in the pan in the garage. I put it in her husband's.
How bad you abused the bike?
Oh, I was just running. I wouldn't.
Or did you take like hella rocks, scratches,
We don't know until we watch
dirty
it.
and shit?
We don't know until we watch
The
it.
tape was motherfucker. The tape conversation was hilarious. I cracked up. Because I didn't see you take bike. I didn't see you when you left. So that first meeting, I go, probably all that fucking tape.
They started to sell. Everybody started hitting me. We was like, oh
How
man.
did you do it? Because when I see that, I mean, them motherfuckers take that. But that ain't your worst tape job. I done see you do way more tape than that. You gave it some love. I didn't see
You need to put in the bags. Everything that faces this direction is taped.
So when you got the Atlanta, did you hit him with the music? Where was y'all when you first showed up with that?
When Steve heard it in Chicago, he was like, man. And then I hit people in Atlanta, but I couldn't find nobody out. I'm prowling freeways looking for them. Where they at? Where they at?
Nobody out.
We only people on the ground, everywhere. I didn't see nobody. I didn't bother to go check, look for the real
Even in Texas?
Texas, didn't see nobody.
That's a long stretch of highway.
And we
man.
hit on top of car Texas.
On top part. Okay.
We went through Oklahoma and went through there.
Yeah. Texas, Arkansas, and all that.
Everybody we saw was going to Sturgis.
Did you see the motherfuckers on the news?
No. But we came in there the
They
week
said
early.
Corona was at Sturgis for sure. It was thousands
Who
of
was there? And there was no mask requirement.
No.
So I'm like, what the fuck? You know, we was there and we came in, got the picture, got the little neck thing that goes around your neck, covered the little mask thing. They were just selling our load. I got one shit, I got one. And we was out. And I said, oh, this shit's gonna go
How many
crazy.
miles was y'all running before y'all was stopping? Or was it unlimited distance?
We was going to the wheels fall off most time, but the average, 600. 6 to 7, 8 some days. Usually when the sun, before the sun come up, to about 11 o'clock at night.
Wow. Yeah, that
Those
wasn't gonna end good.
Yeah, I made a statement on my video. It was like we drive to Seattle every day.
Yeah, that wasn't
Every day.
That wasn't gonna end well. You didn't get no sleep. Man. It was 11 o'clock. You shut it down at 12 and got up at 5, 4.
We'll be here tomorrow up there. I'm finna go in the house and download all this footage. I lost.
Man, you need to go in the house.
I lost 2 phones.
Yeah, buddy told me you was out the game. How you do that? Days and confused.
First phone, the water got me. The original phone, after the storm, I get to Washington, D.C. Since I separated from Shaq, I said, fuck, I want DC, because I told the rest of my family want to do. I want to see
You
the
see the White House and the mic.
and the Martin Luther King thing and all that. So I did all that. After I see the Martin Luther King thing, I'm going to pick it up, put the phone in the pocket. My
Pocket flap is inside the pocket. It'll rain in the
No,
pocket.
the pocket got it just slides in.
Mm.
No slap. Pocket full of water. I'm wet to the underwear already. Pocket full of water. Pull the phone up,
Over with.
it's off. I don't know where the fuck I'm going.
That's right.
I know I need to go to Atlanta, but I don't know what motel. I don't know where she's gonna be at. Gotta go find a phone. I'm Metro PTS. I'm riding. The phone, this radio brings it up finally. I ended up in Richmond, Virginia before I found it. I spent $200 getting a phone. Roll with that phone. I get that back on. They had to go through the process of deactivating it and all that. Asked me a zillion questions. I didn't have most of the answers. They had to call the manager. All this shit. Worked it out. Got me a phone. $205 case and everything.
Out the game.
I'm back in again. I'm at it again. I got the phone. I'm doing the thing. I'm learning the phone. It's a little bigger than this phone. After me and Shaq separate, I'm taking pictures. I got pictures of everything, footage, all that shit. Luckily, I've uploaded on Facebook on everywhere. I put the new phone on this bike, put an extra glove box over there. The glove box got knocked over because the phone kind of big. I'm riding. I got the Apple Car, the Android CarPlay working and everything. I'm just hit a bump late night. Boom, music off. Phone cord laying right there. I'm like, oh,
damn.
I didn't catch it that the phone was gone at this point. So I was like, oh, the phone cord's going, but I'm going too hard. I cannot focus on trying to plug this back in.
Oh, you think the phone's still in?
I think it's still in there. The cord just came undone. I'm like, all right, I'm these turns and it's jet black. I'm like, okay, I'm following cars. I'm half awake. I need to find a room. We'll deal with that when we come to we'll stop that. I'll get the motel 20 miles out of Albuquerque. I said, fuck it, let me double back. Let me go KFC. KMT drive-thru. Let me plug the phone back in so I can get some music back. Ain't no phone. Dang it. I rode all the way, so I got to Flagstaff, Arizona, before I found another Metro PCS store.
Wait, you was way up there?
Yeah.
You in the mountains.
Flagstaff, yeah, we on 40. We on 40.
Wow.
So I had to wait till I got there.
Made the question. It wasn't hot in Flagstaff, huh?
It's hot any fucking where.
Wow.
It's hot everywhere. If it wasn't hot, it was raining and hot. Wasn't no points of cold. Only coldness we had when we first left here. After that, it was hot. I never wore that jacket or the pants again. Pants covers again. The jacket I wore, that last time I wore it when it was raining, I wore it then. We left out of her house, out of her sister's house. I wore it then, and after that, I didn't wear it no more. I sent the pants back with her when she came. I should have sent the jacket too. But I sent that stuff back. It was too hot for all that. And that phone bailed off. I had to get back on 40. I said, fuck it, I got off at Flagstaff. The phone, kept bringing up errors. Phoenix Metro PCS stores. I'm not for detour all the way down to the 10 just to get in the phone. I know where I'm going home. But as I'm riding, I'm going like, damn, if this shit goes south,
You ain't got no phone or nothing?
I ain't got nothing. But just me against nothing.
Nothing, yeah.
I need to find another fucking phone.
Wait a minute, you 500 in on phones?
Just on phone or 500 in. I'm like,
How much think you went in on gas?
I don't know. Because
It did pretty good?
we averaged out like 44 miles a gallon. And we keep it at 82, no, below 82 at 75, 79, and at 2,900 RPM, you get 44 miles a gallon. So, but the thing, the newer bike to give you that trip meter and tell you how far to eat.
Right.
But after that, it's not.
What was that you were talking about? You said I got 35 miles to the gas station.